G'day everyone, Gareth here from Foxwood Beekeeping. Another quick video. I thought I'd take you down to the beehive, show you what the bees do at night, because they're all still working very hard. Just heard something, not too sure what. Anyway, let's head down to the bottom of all this purple on the ground here. It's from the jacaranda above. Beautiful plant. Look at that. Yeah, we'll keep on going down. So we're up in the subtropics here. And a very common thing you see up here are the cane toads. Introduced species, and they're a pain in the arse now. But they love to eat bees. So every time I come down here, you'll have cane toads lining up. There's a big fat one right there, look. A couple down here, another one sitting on the log there. But let's have a look to see what my bees do at night. As you can see, they're all bearding and gathering out the front here. And this is to keep the hive at a constant temperature. So if all these bees were inside the hive, it could get too hot. So they come out here and they start extracting the air from inside the hive. They can extract it to cool it down. But have a look at them. Plus, if I get close enough, I can smell the honey fumes extracting from the beehive. And you can actually smell the honey sometimes from 20 metres away if the wind's in the right direction. It's got quite windy today. This is a flowering gum I've got above the beehive as well. It looks awesome when it's in flower. Anyway, there we go. One's going for a little wander. There it is. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Give us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.